Okay, we're officially here in Las Vegas. First time at NAB. I've got to go pick up my badge. I'm taking you guys with me behind the scenes action. So here we are. Right? Seriously, the one collection when I'm out of here. Okay. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Switching it. Just passport further. Alright. Let's start on this side. So you get things like the FX2, which and all that. And you get the full. I want you to see who's in this production. Our app can dual USB-C. They still got the Transformer Club. It is massive. More of a action setup. So yes, there's actually the whole demo of it. This guy right here, this is all open. So if you had thumb hole. There's me.